Sundays are special days for Kim Rocafort. After attending Mass in Notre Dame Cathedral, he hangs out with overseas Filipino workers in the city. Kim is an English teacher in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. A former government employee in Quezon, 26-year-old Kim has been working in Vietnam for 4 years. He is a pioneer Filipino English teacher in a Vietnamese public school. Due to the large number of tourists entering the country, English is slowly being favored as a second language in Vietnam. Philippine Overseas Employment and Administration official Liberty Casco says the Vietnamese government acknowledges the need for English competency. That's where the Filipino teachers come in.
The has the edge in the English proficiency in the Philippines where we live, where we're educated, in the English language.
From January to April 2013, English teachers were the top in-demand jobs in Vietnam for Filipinos. Ben Thanh Park is a famous recreational place for Vietnamese and tourists alike. Every afternoon, university and college students gather here to find foreigners they can converse with. This is their way of practicing their English. University of Economics student Chor Chor goes to Ben Thanh Park every day to improve his communication skills. He believes English will help him land a good job.
Communication skills is very important now. The students in Vietnam is studying English because they want to find a good job in their future.
According to Kim, teaching English to Vietnamese students is quite a challenge.
Napakahirap mag-connect with the students because of the culture, number one, and communication.
But he says the working conditions are ideal for Filipinos.
I'm sending my older sister to school para makatapos din. She's studying education. So, siguro after a year or two, makapunta na rin siya dito at makapag-.
Kim says living in Vietnam has opened his eyes to the world. To him, it's a piece of home away from home. David Lozada, Rappler, Ho Chi Minh.